So we have completed the chapter water, where we discussed about the water, the necessity of the water, the various uses of water, the water forms, right? In how many forms the water actually is present on the earth, and how we are actually getting this water, and the water management, because the wastage of water is there. So whatever the wastage management techniques are there. Okay, so wastage management techniques में हमने हार्वेस्टिंग का मेथड किया है, रेन वाटर को हम हार्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं. Okay, and drip irrigation method hai. So many initiative on your part in order to prevent the water, the wastage of water, and many initiative on the part of the government and the non-government organization which are actually involved to conserve the water. Okay, so in this particular context we have discussed about the Rajasthan. It's very hot and humid place, right? तो यहाँ पर mostly जो drought की conditions हैं वो ज़्यादा prevail करती हैं, right? So in order to overcome this situation, right? So here the band of social workers, they actually transform the dry rivers, the 5 dry rivers, they have actually revived them. And these rivers, the 5 rivers which they revive are the Arveri. Still students are joining. Ruparel. Then is Sarsa. Okay, then is Bhagani. And the last one is Jahazwali. So these 5 rivers are actually revived by the band of social workers, okay, in the Alwar district of Rajasthan. So many initiatives they have taken by the people, and we should remember that water is very, very important natural resource that the nature has given to us, and we should take each and every step to conserve it. Okay, so with this your chapter is complete. So let's proceed to the NCERT question answers now. Okay, any doubt, beta? So let's start with the first question answer. The first one is you have to state whether the statement is true and false, and with reason also. Okay. Chaliye. The first one is the fresh water that is stored in the ground is much more than the present in the rivers and the lakes of the world. Is this true or false? वो कह रहे हैं कि जो fresh water हमारे stored है ground में वो ज़्यादा है as compared to the water that is present in the rivers and the lake. Yes, Gaurish.
Yes, ma'am, true.
This is true, right? So I have shown you this thing by an activity also, जहाँ पर मैंने आपको एक glass tumbler लेने को कहा था. Okay, तो जो हमारा बाथ मग है उसमें से मैंने एक ग्लास टम्बलर जो था वो फिल करने को कहा था. ओके, तो ये जो ग्लास टम्बलर है आपका दैट इज एक्चुअली शोइंग द ग्राउंड वाटर, दैट इज एक्चुअली शोइंग यू द ग्राउंड वाटर. और उस ग्लास टम्बलर में से जो आपने एक टेबल स्पून जो था वो पानी का लिया था दैट इज एक्चुअली रिप्रेजेंटिंग द रिवर, द वाटर दैट इज प्रेजेंट इन द रिवर्स एंड द लेक्स. ओके, तो हमारा फ्रेश वाटर जो है वो ज्यादा है एज कंपेयर टू द present in the rivers and the lake. Okay, now second question. The water shortage is a problem faced by people living in the rural areas only. Yes, whether this is true or false. Yes, Karthik?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, this is false.
This is false. Why?
Ma'am, because normal people living in the city also face the problem of water shortage as the population is more.
Very good. The people that are living in the cities also, urban areas में भी ये problem है water scarcity की, that is not only prevailing in the rural areas. Okay, so all the rural and the urban people, they are actually facing the water shortage problems, right? Next, water from rivers is the only source for irrigation in the field. Irrigation के लिए सिर्फ जो पानी rivers में है, that is the only source. हाँ जी, anyone else बेटा? Only Karthik has raised his hand. Yes, Savya?
Yes, ma'am, false. Ma'am, because underground water can also be used for irrigation.
हाँ जी, कौन सा water? Which, okay, Savya, which water?
Ma'am, underground water.
Underground water. You can also harvest the rain water also. ठीक है, आप रेन वाटर को भी हार्वेस्ट कर सकते हो. दैट वाटर कैन ऑल्सो बी यूज फॉर द इरिगेशन पर्पसेस. ओके, सो ओनली सोर्स नहीं है, जो पानी है वो बहुत जगह से हम ले सकते हैं फॉर द इरिगेशन पर्पसेस. द लास्ट क्वेश्चन. यस हरमीत, rain is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
ultimate source of water. Is this true or
Ma'am,
false?
true.
This is true.
Ma'am, false.
This is true बेटा. अल्टीमेट
ma'am.
सोर्स जो वाटर का है वो रेन से ही है. जो रेन है ये नेचुरल मेथड है, आपने पढ़ा हुआ है ना वाटर साइकिल में. ये बैलेंस्ड करता है आपके वाटर साइकिल को. ओके, जो वाटर का कंटेंट है उसको बैलेंस करता है. एंड अल्टीमेट सोर्स हमारा जो पानी का है वो रेन ही है. Okay, this is only by the rain, the water, it gets again refilled. Okay, so that is true. Right? So these are the true false. Now coming to the second question, where you have to discuss, explain how the groundwater is recharged. Yes, Ipsa? Ipsa?
Yes, ma'am.
Hanji beta. How the groundwater is recharged?
Ma'am, groundwater is recharged through the infiltration process.
That is very good, through the infiltration process. Now, Ipsa, can you explain what is infiltration process? Hanji, Ipsa, can you explain the infiltration process? Okay, Shubh, boliye beta.
Yes, ma'am. The groundwater is recharged through the process of infiltration. The infiltration means the process of seeping of water into the ground.
Okay, so it is actually recharged. The groundwater is actually recharged with the help of the infiltration process. So yes, Gaurish, can you elaborate your answer?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the rainwater and the water from other sources, such as rivers and ponds, seeps through the soil and fills the empty spaces and cracks deep below the ground. The process of seeping of water into the ground is called infiltration method. And through this method, we can recharge the groundwater.
We can refill the groundwater, okay, or we can increase the groundwater level, that is actually the water table. Okay, so infiltration is basically the seepage of the water into the underground of the earth. Okay, where the rocks and the crevices or the crack spaces, they are present underground the earth. Okay, so seepage is by the soil. तो जो soil है वो seep कर जाती है उसको. Okay, and the water can be taken from anywhere. Rain water हो सकता है, river water है, pond water है. So any source, the water can be seeped in the underground. Okay, so by which the groundwater it gets recharged. Right? Chaliye, coming to the next question now. The next question is, there are 10 tube wells in a lane of 50 house. तो लेन है 50 हाउसेस की लेन है और उसमें उन्होंने 10 ट्यूबवेल्स जो हैं आपके लगे हुए हैं. द व्हाट कुड बी द लॉन्ग टर्म इफेक्ट ऑन द वाटर टेबल. तो अब आपसे पूछ रहे हैं कि वाटर टेबल पे उसका लॉन्ग टर्म इफेक्ट क्या होगा. यस जैस्मिन.
Ma'am, that if 10 tube wells in the lane of 50 houses are situated, the groundwater will get used for domestic purposes. This results in depletion of groundwater level and water table would go down.
Okay. So yes, Jasmine, you are right. Anyone else better? Anyone else who can elaborate this answer also? So what will be the long-term effect on the groundwater on the water table? Yes, Karthik?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ जी बेटा.
Ma'am, 1 second.
तो अगर वो 50 हाउसेस जो हैं वो ट्यूबवेल्स के पानी को यूज करी जाएंगे तो उसके ऊपर क्या इफेक्ट पड़ेगा वहां पर जो ग्राउंड वाटर है उस एरिया के.
Ma'am, I think groundwater will be becoming less.
Very good. The level of the groundwater will decrease. right? Because that water is actually used by the people for doing their household, okay, household activities में वो use कर लेंगे उसको. And long term impact की बात कर रहे हैं हम कि अगर वो ऐसे ही जो 50 houses है उसको ऐसे ही continuously ground water को use करते जाएंगे, ओके, उस पानी को यूज करते जाएंगे, तो इन फ्यूचर में जो वहां का ग्राउंड वाटर है उसका वाटर टेबल जो है वो क्या कर जाएगा, डिक्लाइन कर जाएगा, इट विल डिक्रीज. ओके, सो दिस इज द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. सो कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, यू हैव बीन आस्क्ड टू मेंटेन अ गार्डन, आपने गार्डन को मेंटेन करना है, देन हाउ यू विल मिनिमाइज द यूज ऑफ वाटर. यस, गार्डन है और प्लांट्स लगे हुए हैं, उनको पानी तो चाहिए. Okay, so water is important, but how you are going to minimize that water amount? Yes, Gaurish?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we can use drip irrigation method to minimize the water table as through this method, water will be supplied to the roots of plants directly through the narrow tubes.
Okay, so first method we will be using the drip irrigation where we will be giving the roots of the plants water drop by drop directly. ठीक है, तो बिल्कुल भी पानी वेस्ट नहीं हो रहा है, रूट्स को डायरेक्टली जो है वो ड्रॉप वाइज वाटर आप दे रहे हो. ओके, इन दिस वे द वाटर इज नॉट गेटिंग स्टेगनेंट. ठीक है, पानी खड़ा नहीं हो रहा है, बिल्कुल भी वेस्टेज नहीं हो रही है पानी की. यस, एनी अदर मेथड, एनी अदर मेथड बेटा?
मैम कहना है.
हाँ जी कार्तिक.
Ma'am, I think we will check that the pipes are proper in their condition and they should not be leaked.
Very good. So you should check the leakages in the pipes. ठीक है, तो बिल्कुल भी लीकेज नहीं होनी चाहिए है जो आपकी वाटर पाइप्स लगी हुई हैं.
And ma'am, इसमें हम ये लिख सकते हैं कि we can also use rain water harvesting method.
Well, yes, Karthik, we can use this method also, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Savya?
Ma'am, can we? Yes, ma'am. By constructing the dams, if the water overflows, then it directly goes to the plants.
Can you repeat, Savya?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, by constructing the dams, if the water overflows, then the water can directly go to the plants.
डैम्स नहीं बेटा, यहाँ पर गार्डन्स में हम छोटे छोटे गार्डन्स में डैम्स नहीं ना कंस्ट्रक्ट कर सकते. सो यू कैन से डैट आप एक चैनलाइज जो है, ठीक है, चैनल फॉर्म कर सकते हो कि आप डायरेक्टली जहां से पानी एक सोर्स से डायरेक्टली वो जो है वो आपके प्लांट तक जाए. ओके, तो चैनल्स और यू कैन से अ स्मॉल स्मॉल लेन्स यू कैन फॉर्म इन द गार्डन वेयर द डायरेक्ट वाटर विल गो टू द प्लांट. ओके, तो यहाँ पर आप रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग भी कर सकते हो. यू कैन यूज रेन वाटर ऑल्सो, okay, to garden to give the plants, okay, the required amount of water, right? Anything else beta? Any other thing? और कुछ आप कैसे उसको मेंटेन कर सकते हो? Yes beta. Any other method? Savya? Yes, Ruhani?
Ma'am, the water should be directly supplied to the plants to its roots so that the water cannot be disused.
Wasted. Okay, so that we have already drip irrigation. तो ड्रिप इरिगेशन के साथ साथ आप स्प्रिंकलर मेथड भी यूज कर सकते हो. आपने देखा होगा कि गार्डन्स में एक पाइप लगी होती है एंड इट रोटेट्स, रोटेटिंग नोजल होता है उसका. ओके, तो रोटेटिंग नोजल से वो जो है वो सारे गार्डन को पानी भी देती है. ओके, बट उसके कंपैरेटिव ड्रिप इरिगेशन जो है वो ज्यादा बेटर मेथड है. तो यू कैन एम्प्लॉय स्प्रिंकलर सिस्टम आल्सो, बट स्प्रिंकलर सिस्टम जो है उसके कंपैरेटिव जो आपका ड्रिप इरिगेशन मेथड है दैट इज मोर यूजफुल, क्योंकि उसमें पानी जो है वो कम वेस्ट होता है. ओके, चलिए नेक्स्ट, कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. You have to explain the various factors that are responsible for the depletion of the water table. तो आपका water table decline कर रहा है, तो उसकी depletion के क्या क्या causes हैं? Yes, Harmeet?
Yes, ma'am. No, factors that are responsible for the depletion of water table are increase in population,
Very
human
good.
population.
बेटा Harmeet explain भी करो. Harmeet explain
Yes,
also. How increasing population?
Nowadays, human population is increasing day by day.
Very good.
The needs of an ever increasing human population,
Hmm.
more houses, schools are built. So borings are made at such construction sites to reach the water table and to draw more and more groundwater.
Okay, so very good, Harmeet. So increasing population, the demand of the water is actually increasing day by day with the increase in population. ठीक है, तो पर्सन इंक्रीज हो रहे हैं, तो पर्सन की हर एक पर्सन की डिमांड जो है वाटर की वो भी इंक्रीज हो रही है. प्लस द नेसेसिटी, द नीड फॉर मोर हाउसेस, स्कूल्स, बिल्डिंग, तो कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्क जो है इट इज गोइंग ऑन, वाइडनिंग ऑफ द रोड्स दे आर गोइंग ऑन, okay, in order to accommodate such huge population, right? So all these properties in all these activities, right, the water is being used and the water is actually withdrawn from the groundwater. तो ग्राउंड वाटर के ऊपर जो है वो सारा क्या आ रहा है डेरिवेशन के लिए. ओके, चलो नेक्स्ट इप्सा, सेकंड पॉइंट.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, next, scanty rainfall. Insufficient rainfall is called scanty rainfall.
Very
When there
good.
is scanty rainfall, less water seeps into the ground. But as more groundwater is drawn out by the people for various purposes, the water table goes down.
ओके, सो स्कैंटी रेनफॉल, अगर रेनफॉल ही नहीं होगी तो हमारा इनफिल्ट्रेशन का प्रोसेस विल नॉट गो. ओके, तो इनफिल्ट्रेशन का प्रोसेस नहीं होगा, सो बाय दिस मेथड द ग्राउंड वाटर विल नॉट बी एबल टू रिचार्ज इटसेल्फ. ओके, सो स्कैंटी रेनफॉल, जब रेस्ट रेनफॉल होती है तो उस पॉइंट पे भी आपका जो ग्राउंड वाटर है वो डिक्लाइन करना शुरू कर जाता है इन द ड्रॉट कंडीशंस. यस जैस्मीत, नेक्स्ट पॉइंट बेटा.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ जी.
Agriculture requires a lot of water for growing crops. This result in depletion of water table.
ओके, वेरी गुड. सो एग्रीकल्चरल एक्टिविटीज में जैसे जैसे डिमांड बढ़ रही है, ओके, पॉपुलेशन के साथ साथ डिमांड जो है वो क्रॉप्स की, दैट इज आल्सो बीइंग इंक्रीज्ड. So the demand of the water is increased thereby in order to grow more and more crops for the growing population. तो इसलिए एग्रीकल्चर एक्टिविटीज में भी बहुत सारा पानी जो है that is being used for the growing purposes, for the irrigation purposes. ठीक है, irrigate भी करना होता है. Okay, yes, coming to the next is yes गौरीश, बोलिए बेटा. गौरीश.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the depletion of water table is also caused by the deforestation.
Caused by?
method. The roots of trees binds the soil, and if trees are, ma'am, deforestation
Okay, deforestation activities, very good.
method. Deforestation. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the roots of trees binds the soil, and if trees are cut off, then the soil will get loose, and this can cause soil erosion, and then seepage of water will be decreased.
So very good.
Ma'am, am I
Deforestation
audible?
activities and soil erosion, they are also the main reason due to which the groundwater is actually falling. The water, it can bind the soil, it can bind the water and helps in the seepage process. Okay, तो अगर soil erosion होगी, जो topmost layer है soil की, वही जो है वो क्या हो रही है, it is being eroded, it is being withdrawn by the water or air. Okay, so in this case जो water है, ठीक है, that is actually not getting seeped into the ground. Yes, Karthik.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the other reason is increase in industries.
Very good. Increasing industries.
Yes, ma'am. As the number of human population is increased, so the number of industries will also be increased, and industries need a lot of water to do work. So definitely depletion of water will occur.
Very good. So industries, see, human population is increasing, demand is increasing, so supply भी तो उतनी increase करनी पड़ेगी, ठीक है? So number of industries, they are going day by day, growing day by day. So all of these industries, they actually need water because water is a universal solvent. तो वो हर चीज में जो है वो use होता है. So that's why the demand of water is more, and that's why the groundwater is actually getting depleted day by day, right? Because हम सारी चीजें जो है वो कहाँ से ले रहे हैं, ग्राउंड वाटर से, जो वाटर की रिक्वायरमेंट है उनको पूरा कर रहे हैं. एनी अदर मेथड? यस, जिन्होंने आंसर
मैम
दे दिए.
कंस्ट्रक्शन एक्टिविटीज.
वेरी गुड, कंस्ट्रक्शन एक्टिविटीज. तो कंस्ट्रक्शन एक्टिविटीज में भी डायरेक्टली जो है वो ग्राउंड वाटर लिया जाता है. ओके, wherever the construction is going on, the water is directly taken from the groundwater. So in this way the groundwater is actually getting depleted day by day. Any other method beta? और कोई?
मैम डिक्रीज इन
Ma'am,
effective
decrease in
area
the
of
effective area for
Seepage.
seepage of water.
Very good. So decrease in effective area of seepage. तो इसमें हम क्या बात करेंगे?
Ma'am, the cemented floor that we use in the construction does not allow water to seep in the ground easily. This results in the depletion of water table.
Very good. So we are actually constructing the concreted floor or cemented floor, जो कि उसको पानी को सीप नहीं होने देते हैं, ठीक है, नीचे जाने नहीं देते हैं ग्राउंड में. So that's why the water table is declining day by day, right? Is this clear? So these 7 points, they are the reason why the water is getting depleted day by day from the groundwater. Overgrazing of animals, you can actually take it in the deforestation activities. ये मैंने पहले भी बताया था. Deforestation, soil erosion and overgrazing. So these 3 factors, they are actually interrelated. एक दूसरे के साथ ही related है. Deforestation में भी क्या हो रहा है? Soil erosion हो रही है. Topmost soil जो है वो erode हो रही है. Overgrazing of animals में भी soil erosion का phenomena आ जाता है. और अगर आपने in general लिखना है तो soil erosion डाल के deforestation and overgrazing of the animals को आप ले सकते हो उसी के बीच में. Okay, is this clear? ठीक है, चलिए coming to the next question now. You have to fill the blanks, right, with the appropriate answers. So let's see who. Hanji, Shubh, yes beta.
Yes, ma'am.
People obtain groundwater through dash and dash.
Tube wells and hand pumps.
Very good. Tube wells हो गए, wells हो गए, hand pumps हो गए. Okay, they all are the sources. So हमें कहाँ से मिलता है? We obtain the water from the wells and the hand pumps. You can also include tube wells. Okay, आप इसमें tube wells भी increase कर सकते हो, include कर सकते हो. Okay, coming to the next is yes, Madhav. The 3 forms of water are?
Solid, liquid, and gas.
Very good. The 3 forms of water are solid, liquid, and gas. Where the solid form is?
Ice.
Ice. Solid form है ice और snow की form में. ठीक है. Next, liquid.
Water.
Liquid is water, and gas?
Water vapors.
Water vapors. Very good, Madhav. Okay. So coming to the next fill in the blank, the water bearing layer of the earth is known as? अर्थ की वाटर बेयरिंग लेयर को हम क्या कहते हैं बेटा? Yes, Aditya.
Yes,
What we
ma'am.
called the water layering, the water bearing layer of the earth. Yes.
Aquifer.
Aquifer. Very good. Aquifer. Okay. Coming to the next is the process of water seepage into the ground is known as? Water seepage into the ground is known as? Yes, Ruhani.
Ma'am, infiltration.
That is known as infiltration. Okay. Chaliye. Next are the, you have to take the correct answer. Okay. Which of the following is not responsible for water shortage? इसमें से कौन सा फैक्टर जो है वो वाटर शॉर्टेज के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल नहीं है? Rapid growth of industries, increasing population, heavy rainfall, and mismanagement of water resources. Hanji. Shivang, will you give the answer, Shivang? Yes, Shivang. Okay, yes, Adgun, दीजिए बेटा.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, heavy rainfall.
The correct answer is heavy rainfall. Heavy rainfall is not the reason, that is actually for the water shortage. Okay, industries की growth is also the reason, increasing population increase हो रही है, और mismanagement भी जो है वो भी reason है, जहां पर water जो है that leads to the water shortage problems. Okay, so 7th का correct answer है 3rd. Coming to the 8th one now, you have to choose the correct option. The total water, कहते हैं कि जितना भी total water है अर्थ का, in the lakes and rivers of the world remain constant, पूरे world का constant रहता है, जितना lakes और rivers में है. Underground water जो है वो constant रहता है, या seas और ocean वाला जो water है वो constant रहता है, या पूरे world का constant रहता है. Okay, so you have to tell the correct answer. Yes, Jasmine.
Yes, ma'am. Of the world remains constant.
तो पूरे वर्ल्ड का कांस्टेंट रहता है. ओके, वेदर इट इज एक्चुअली द वाटर ऑफ लेक्स, रिवर, अंडरग्राउंड वाटर है, ओशन का वाटर है, सी का वाटर है. ओके, सो ऑल द फॉर्म्स ऑफ द वाटर वी विल बी टेकिंग हियर that are present worldwide, and they will be keeping the amount of the water on the earth constant. So 4th is the correct answer. Okay, coming to the next question. You have to make a sketch showing the groundwater and water table. Can you draw? ये हमने कर लिया हुआ है. Okay, परसों मैंने बनवाया था आपको. Can you draw it? Right, in the labeling part you have to do the labeling of the clouds. You have to label the plants, animals. Okay, the groundwater जहाँ पर seepage का process कह रहे हो आप, the seas जहाँ पर evaporation का process हो रहा है उसकी surface layer है, stream है. Okay, so all these things you have to make. Okay, right, हैंड पंप वेल बनाना है हमने, और जो ग्राउंड वाटर है वो दिखाना है, बेड रॉक्स दिखाने हैं इसमें. ओके, बेड रॉक्स वी हैव टू शो, ऑल्सो द एक्विफर लेयर, दैट ऑल वी हैव टू शो.